Hello VIPs, this is Kiki from First Class Living and I am here with a Target online haul. Normally I don't do online hauls, but Target is doing their week of sales and deals, and we have a spend 50 get back a $10 Target gift card for food and beverages. So you have to do that deal online, either pickup or delivery. So a lot of times I don't do online deals because you can't use paper coupons, and the savings a lot of times aren't that great as it appears. But stay with me. There are many ways that you can save online at Target. So if you are new here, I just want to say welcome. And if you are returning, welcome back. I'm so glad that you clicked on this video. Well, let's get into it. Okay, so first thing you're going to need to save at Target online is, of course, a Target account. So sign up for a Target account. And also you'll need like Rebate Apps, and also there are cash back sites. So Ibotta, Fetch Rewards, Shopkick, those are rebate apps. So you'll need those because we can link our Target account to Ibotta to get cashback offers, and we can also link our emails to Fetch and Shopkick, and they'll give us offers that way. Also, you're going to need the Target account because with that account you can get Target Circle offers, which gives you percentage offs, and also there are actually coupons on the Target Circle. And for Target, if you have their red card, you'll save an additional 5%. Also for Target, they have what they call these bonuses, where if you make 3 purchases of $45, you'll get a $10 bonus. Also, there are gift card offers with Target. So there are so many ways that we can save online that can really help to reduce our cost of our groceries and any other personal care needs. But for this video, we're going to do a grocery haul. So you're going to need a Target account, and you're going to need Rebate Apps, and I'm going to be going through Rakuten. Rakuten gives me 1% cash back when I shop online through Target, so that's another way to save. Unfortunately, we won't be able to get any cash back for our grocery haul today, but Rakuten is still a great cashback site to use for Target, as there are other categories that are included, and you can find those in the cashback terms. Also, for new Rakuten users, you'll get $30 back when you spend $30, so that will bring you even more savings. And also gift cards. Flues is a app where you can purchase gift cards, and they'll give you a percentage back, and that's another way to save. So when we're stacking all these savings, it is definitely gonna give us an opportunity to get some things back. And sometimes the manufacturers may also have deals that you can redeem online. Let's get into the deals. I have to confess, I went inside Target to take advantage of the spend 50 get back a $10 gift card, and that offer is not in store. So please do not go in store and attempt to do the deal. I did not see any signs, so I didn't even take the chance. Also, right now, check your Target account because I had a spend 50 get $10 off offer, and also there's 5% cash back at Target on Target gift cards. So purchase a gift card, load it to your wallet is what they call it. So when you check out, you can just pay with your gift cards. Also, if you have a Target credit card or debit card, that's another 5%. So see, Target's just let us stack and stack and stack, and we can save online just as we do in store. Of course, our coupon values are higher, and some Target Circle coupons are not, you can't use them online. They're only available in store. But with a little more work and a little more planning, we can definitely save online. So let's get into the deal. Just wanted to put this out here. This is actually in the Target weekly ad, that you'll get $40 off of a future qualifying purchase over $40 when approved for a credit or debit card. So you wouldn't be able to get this today if you were approved, because they send this coupon in the mail with your red card, but you would be able to get it you would be able to use it on a future purchase. So here is my cart. I have 14 items. It's showing 15 because it's counting the gift card. But I have the Silk Next Milk. It is $4.99. We have a 25% off Target Circle offer. And we have a $1.50 Target Circle coupon, but it is only good in store. So make sure that you link your Target account to the coupons.com app, and you can get $1.50 back that way. So that'll bring the final cost to just $2.24. Next, we have this Hoplark Hop Tea. It is $2.99. We have a $1 Target Circle offer, and we have a $1 back on Ibotta, bringing the final cost to just 99 cents. Next, I have this Love Corn. It is the 1.6 ounce. It is $1.79. And we have a 90 cents offer back on Ibotta, bringing the final cost to just 89 cents. Next on here, I have watermelon water. It is $3.19. We have a 20% off Target Circle offer, and we'll get back $1 on Ibotta, bringing the final cost to just $1.54. The So Delicious ice cream or frozen dessert is $4.69. If you still have your free offer for $5.99 back for the So Delicious, that is going to make this free and $1 moneymaker. The Lipton tea is $4. Well, it's $2.19 each. We have two here, so two is going to total us $4.38. We have a 20% off Lipton tea Target Circle offer, and we have $2.29 back on Ibotta. And that Ibotta rebate is for the immunity one, so make sure that you grab two of the immunity. I have citrus green tea in mine because my Target doesn't carry them, but just to show you the breakdown, you will get two of them. Pay $3.50 after the Target Circle offer, get back $2.29 on Ibotta, making them $1.21 for two, or 60 cents each. The next thing I have on here are the Blue Diamond almonds, the extremes. They are $3.39 each. You want to pick up two of them. That'll total you $6.78. We have a $1.25 digital on the Target Circle app, but unfortunately it is only in store. But if you have your Target account linked to your coupons.com app, You should get back $1.25 on the coupons.com app once you pick up your order. There are also $1.50 rebates on Ibotta that you will get ×2. And we also have this rebate from Fandango Rewards, where if you purchase 2 Blue Diamond cans, you'll get this $5 reward. And if you see right here under upload, you can do this as an online purchase. You would just take a screenshot after you pick up your order. So that'll give you another $5 back, bringing the final cost to free and a $2.47 moneymaker. Next, we have the So Delicious dairy-free cheddar cheese. We are picking up 2 of them. They are $9.98 for the both of them, so $4.99 each. I don't have a Target Circle offer or anything for that, but we have an Ibotta rebate for $4.79 back on 2. So that is going to bring the final cost to just $5.19 for 2, or $2.59 each. Next, I have this King Oscar Royals fillets, the mackerel and olive oil. It is $2.89. We have a 10% off Target Circle offer, and we have $1 back on Ibotta, bringing the final cost to just $1.60. Next, I have the stimulant nugs. I have the chicken tenders. You may have the nuggets, or you may have both, but currently in my Ibotta account, I just have one, and that is for the tenders. So they are $4.99 each. They are $4.49 in store. So if you want to save a little more, I would do this deal in store instead. But for the sake of this breakdown, we're going to put 2 in our cart. That's going to total us $9.98. I don't have any Target Circle offers, but I have $5 back on Ibotta, bringing the final cost to just $4.98 for 2, or $2.49 each. So all 14 of these items total me $51.66. We are getting a total of $5.36 off of that total, and we are going to get 5% off with our Target Red card. So here is the breakdown of our $5.36. So we're getting 23 cents off for the King Oscar, the $1 for the hot tea. The Lipton tea 20% off is taken off 70 cents. The 20% off for the watermelon water is taken off 51 cents. The silk milk 25% is taken off $1.01, and our red card is giving us a savings of $1.91. So we're gonna pay, and our estimated tax for me is 76 cents. And my total is $47.06. So let's just take the tax off because everybody's tax is different. So $47.06, and we're going to take off this 76 cents. And that brings us to $46.30. So let's go back. $46.30. You would pay that out of pocket. You would get back the $10 gift card for spending $50, because it's showing right here that we qualify for it. We would get back $2.75 on the coupons.com app. $1.50 for the silk milk, and $1.25 for the Blue Diamond almonds. We would get back that $5 gift card from Fandango. It is actually a Visa gift card that you can use online only. And we would get back a total of $24.97 on Ibotta, bringing the final cost to just $3.58. With that being said, if you need any of these, I will have links to my referral codes in the description box. I'll get something and you'll get something, so it's definitely not just me getting something, but they all offer like a welcome bonus of some sort. So that's even more savings if you're new, because you'll get that cash back as well to make your deals even sweeter. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.